everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite Spanish tapas dishes, which is Gambas al Ajillo, which is also chili garlic fried shrimp. It is so delicious and so easy to make. First thing we're going to do is prep our garlic. So I have a bunch of garlic. This is a garlic forward dish, okay? So the whole garlic. Not just one slice, not two, the whole thing. The way you want to slice it is we're just going to slice pieces like this. So you want them to be kind of like a little bit on the thicker side, but we want the whole piece. We don't want this to be minced because we're going to be frying this garlic, and we want to make sure that we get all these nice crispy pieces. Once you've sliced all your garlic, just set it aside in a bowl. And the next thing we're going to do is we are going to prep our shrimp. For the shrimp, I like to keep the tail on, but I like when the shell is off. But you can keep the shell on, you can do the tail off. It's honestly whatever your preference is. And to that, what I'm going to add is first I'm going to add in some olive oil. And we're gonna be cooking in more olive oil. So this is just to actually be able to season the shrimp. I'm just going to toss this in the olive oil. And to our shrimp, I'm going to add, this is salt, pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and red chili pepper flakes. Let's add all of those seasonings to the bowl and mix it into our shrimp. This is a super easy recipe that takes like literally 10-15 minutes to make because shrimp cooks so quickly and it's full of flavor. This dish is low carb and it's really nutritious. If you're someone who's not low carb, the best way to enjoy it is with a piece of toasted bread, but we're not gonna be doing that for this. I think it's perfect as is and doesn't need any additional bread or anything like that, but do whatever your preference is, whatever your diet is. I'm going to be using a cast iron skillet to make this shrimp. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I've heated the iron skillet to medium heat, and I'm gonna add a ton of olive oil. You wanna completely coat the bottom of the pan. Give that a second just to heat up. And to this oil, I'm going to be adding in some dried red chilies. This is going to season our oil. I'm gonna give this just a minute, about a minute, 30 seconds to a minute to heat up and season the oil with that chili flavor. I'm now gonna add in all of the garlic that we sliced earlier. We want to cook this until it's nice and golden, but we don't want it to be too crisp. So make sure you watch the heat, turn it to medium low, and saute the garlic. It's going to smell super, super fragrant. That's exactly what you want. If you are a garlic lover, this is going to be your new favorite dish. It is just so delicious and just like all the flavors, and it just smells incredible. My garlic is looking good. It's really, really fragrant and it's starting to get golden. So we're gonna let it cook for another 15-30 seconds. Again, we don't want the garlic to start crisping up. We just want it to be golden brown. Not golden brown, just golden. All right, that looks good. And to this, I'm now going to add the shrimp that we seasoned. You wanna spread the shrimp out in the pan so they're not overlapping, and we're just gonna cook it until it's ready. I'm gonna add in some more olive oil and flip over all of the shrimp to cook on the other side. Our shrimp are done, so I've turned off the heat, and that is literally it, guys. let's let this cool down for a bit and then we'll do the taste test. I've let it cool down for just a couple of minutes. So fragrant. It just smells so delicious. You can have Spanish tapas at home in less than 10 minutes with this super simple Gambas at Ajillo or chili garlic shrimp. So perfect. And like I said, traditionally you can enjoy it with some toasted bread to dip into that delicious olive oil, or if you're like me who's on a low carb diet, you can use like a low carb bread or no bread at all. Either way, it is so delicious. Let's do a taste test. I'm gonna make sure that I have my shrimp dipped in that delicious olive oil. Got some garlic here. Cheers. This is such a fragrant and garlicky dish. It's so delicious. As you saw, it's super easy to make. And this is like, if you love shrimp, if you love garlic, you like things a little bit spicy, this is right up your alley. This is perfect for you, and a super simple, low carb and nutritious dinner, lunch, whatever you want it to be to make. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.